students, I Neelima here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 9, that is percentage. I think some of the questions were done by you. Question number 1, 2, 3, and today I am going to teach you here percentage. My topic is percentage. Okay. Please open your book, My Observation Maths, Part 1. Part 1, chapter number 9, that is page number 98. I can write here page number 98 of your book. Here, how to calculate the percentage of the shaded portion. Percentage of the shaded portion. Percentage of the shaded portion. Okay. So here you are given 5 circles. How many circles are there? 5 circles are there. Okay. And out of 5, how many are shaded? How many circles are shaded? 3. Okay. Out of 5, total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total circles are 5 and shaded circles are how many? These 3. Okay? 3. So, you are asked to write the percentage of the shaded portion. Write the percentage for the shaded portion. For the shaded portion in the figure. In the figure. So there are out of 5 circles only 3 are shaded. So here what will you do here? Total circles 5. Shaded circles 3. Okay. Shaded circles are 3. So, percentage of shaded circles. Shaded circles is, shaded will be written above. Shaded circles divided by total circle. Total will you will take always as denominator. Total will be taken always as denominator. Okay. Total circles into 100%. Into 100%. So, percentage of shaded circles. Of shaded circles are 3. 3 are shaded now. 3 will be taken as numerator. Total circle will be taken as denominator into 100%. So simplify 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 0 along with 2. This is 320 ja. You will multiply 3 into 20%. This is 60%. How many circles are shaded? 60%. Okay. So 60% circles are shaded in this given figure. Yeah. Please note down till then. Please do carefully. So these are 60% circles here shaded. Are you doing work daily, regularly? This is question number 4. Okay. This is question number 4. Then comes other question here. These are parallelograms. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are parallelograms. Total, how many? One I can make here. Five and one more. 6. This is B part of 4 question. This was A part. Okay. Out of these 6 parallelograms, how many are shaded? Please look at your book also. 4 are shaded. 4 are shaded. 4 parallelograms are shaded out of 6. So, percentage of shaded figure, you can write figure also. Okay, percentage of shaded figure is equal to how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded, total 6 into 100 percentage. Okay, then simplify with table of 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 50 is 100. Now it is 200 upon 3 percentage. Okay, now you will divide 200 by 3. Okay, I think you have done this. So you will divide 200 by 3. In place of circle you can write percentage of the shaded figure also. Because the picture was like circus, so I have written circus. Okay, so now divide this 200 by 3. Hurry up. Start dividing 200 by 3. How much you are getting? 3 6 are 18. Take 0 as carry. 3 6 are 18. Again after you can take 0.0. 0. Then after decimal if you are taking 0, then 3 6 are 18 again 2. It will not be terminating ये 0 रिमाइंडर ऐसे आपके पास 2 2 आते ही रहेगा आपके पास 0. You can take many zeros up one by one. Now it is 66.6. You can write it one more. Then it is 66.666 आता ही जाएगा. So we will round that. This is more than 5. So this in place of 6 I will write 7. I have rounded this. This will become 66.67%. I have rounded this because after decimal the digit at the 1000th place is 6. So it is more than 5. So naturally the digit at the 100th place will be increased by 1. Okay. Then you will do C and D part yourself. And please look at question number 5. Color 40% of the given apples. Okay, 40% of the given apples. So first of all, count how many apples are there in question number 5. This one here. Here, how many apples are there? Please count how many apples are there. How many apples are there? In one row, this is column. In one row, there are 5 apples. So, total, how many apples are there? Here, please look at this. 20 apples. How many apples are there? 20 apples. Then, you will calculate 40% of 20 apples. Okay? You will write here total apples 20. Then 40% of 20 apples is equal to 40 divided by 100 into 20. Then simplify and get how much apples will be there in 40%. 40% of 20 apples. Okay. What is 40% of 20 apples? 40% of 20 apples. Here 40 percent, in place of percentage we write 100. Of means multiply into 20. 1 0 cut 1 0 1 0. So means 8 apples. 40% of 20 apples are 8 apples. Clear? Then in 6th question here, which is more, 20% of 80 or 30% of 90? You will solve first 20% of 80, then you will find a number, then you will calculate 30% of 90 and you will compare both of the answers, which is greater, and you will write which is more, then you will compare. Okay. Thank you. You will complete question number here 4, 5 and 6 of chapter number 9, My Observation book. Do question 4, 5, 6, chapter 9, My Observation, part 1. Yeah. Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, keep proper distance from each other, mask yourself, okay, and always be protected from COVID-19. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you. Please you do your work regularly, okay? Thank you.